Live team coverage of the flu season, which peaks in January and February and is now off to a roaring start. The worst flu season in years has prompted a high number of people to get flu shots, and supplies are low. Today, News Channel 5 received the new report from the Palm Beach County Health Department. So far, reports of flu outbreaks in our area are in the mild range, but other counties in the state are reporting moderate flu outbreaks. Meantime, local emergency rooms are being swamped with people complaining about flu-like symptoms. News Channel 5's Tania Rogers is live at Palms West Hospital with more tonight. Tania.
And we're live in the emergency room over at Palms West Hospital talking about flu-like symptoms. I've been having patients come in here with that. Doctors here tell us the typical season is sometime between December and May, with it peaking sometime next month. But with all the visits that I've been getting from people who say they possibly may have the flu, well, it may be peaking just a little bit earlier.
All right, so take a big breath for me.
13-year-old Nick Hilton is in the emergency room after hurting his arm playing basketball. While in the ER, the pediatric doctor gave Nick a quick lesson on what to do to try to avoid getting sick as we approach the peak of the flu season.
So what have you learned? What do you know to do at school? Or
to wash your hands with soap and water every time you use the bathroom.
Correct.
And
Correct.
put your hands over your mouth or your...
Dr. Cristina Perez de Cardena says she has seen an increase in patients coming to the ER with flu-like symptoms compared to other years.
We are seeing about a 40% volume of children coming in that have flu-like illness in the last 1 to 2 weeks. So market increase from the beginning of last month.
Dr. John Halpern treats adults in the hospital. He says he has seen an increase as well.
I would say at least 10% of the people coming in with those flu symptoms, typical and some atypical.
Dr. Halpern says more people will get the flu before the season is over in May.
It is peaking earlier than expected, and so we're being very watchful for even more increases as we progress into the season.
Now, many of the employees here have received the flu vaccine. For those who declined to have it, many of them are wearing a mask. Now, coming up tonight at 6, we're going to talk about some of the local doctors' offices that have actually run out of the flu vaccine and the flu miss. We'll have much more coming up at 6. Tania Rogers reporting live for WPTV News Channel 5.
The flu